Alright, what's up guys? It's Chef Swole with TThreadz. We're right here at Fit Plus Meals on Chattanooga, and we're about to make an omelet. So we got some eggs, spinach, cheese, some sweet sauce, and some chicken. We're going to throw that all together real quick so you guys how to make a healthy omelet.
Things ain't cooking, things ain't cooking, things ain't cooking. Things ain't cooking in my kitchen. I like my eggs on the easy side. Turn the heat down to a simmer for a cool ride. I like my coffee cold and my toast just done on one side.
Throw the spinach in there. Alright, that's enough spinach. Who needs spinach anyway? That's what you really want, some chicken.
Just one ice cube in my liquor with an olive on the side. Don't confuse the situation, leave it open wide. I like my coffee cold and my toast just done on one side. That's the stuff I like to hear.
So just a disclaimer, my omelet flipping skills are not the best.
Yeah, play it, Sam, man. Like you play. Be up, da, do, da, da. Beep, ba, da, dee, ah, ba, da, ba.
Look at that. Look at that. That is pure, sexy Fit Plus gains right there. And we're about to bring it over here to our official taste tester of TThreadz, aka Meat Pony.
Yeah, Meat Pony.
Put that together right here. Okay. Yeah, that is.
That's some good shit. Right there. Gains. Get some. Get on that.
Gains.